Hey guys, let's talk about why Alexa is flashing this yellow light. As you can see, I have my Alexa dot here, and there's this red light because Alexa is on mute, but there is also the yellow flashing light, okay? That means there's some notification that I need to check. So now I'm going to unmute Alexa, and you're gonna see the yellow light still flashing, but then I ask her about my notification and the yellow light goes away. It's just simple like this, okay? Let me just unmute here. Alexa, play my notifications.
One new notification. From Amazon Shopping. A shipment has arrived, including wallpaper.
So as you can see, the yellow light is no longer there. Okay, I just read my notification and then there is no yellow light anymore. Okay, so simple like this. So that's the way you can fix this flashing yellow light on Alexa. Hope this helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.